Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla in a new pose. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our realistic Godzilla, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to go down and then back here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and up. Then we're going to bring this line back and down with a couple more little lines. I'm going to make a couple little lines right underneath here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come over and then down here. And bring a little line that's going to come down and over. Then I'm going to bring a little line that's going to come over and then down here. And bring this down. We're going to come over and we're going to bring it back to here. Make a little line that comes down here for the nose and then another one right here. Bring a little line that's going to come down and then back. And we're going to bring this up to here. We'll make a little curved line here and a line that's going to come down for the chin and then up. Next, we're going to bring this line up and then over to here for the jaw. Now, I'm going to put a bunch of little sharp teeth in here, and then we'll do the same thing across the top. We're going to put a bunch of sharp teeth right across here. Then we'll put some teeth right along this side. And then we'll curve a little line over here for the tongue with another little line. Next, I'm going to bring some of these lines over and then down for the back of the neck. And then starting here, I'm going to make some lines that are going to go down and then up for the neck, just some little curved lines. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and in. And another little line is just going to come down and then up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little curved lines. And then right across here, I'm going to make some little broken lines for the back. Now, starting here for the arm, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then another little line that's going to come down here. I'm going to bring a little line that's going to come down and up, and then one more it's going to come down and up, and then one more right here it's going to curve up. I'm going to bring this line up, and then we're going to curve it up here for the arm. Now starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out, and we're going to curve it down for one of the claws. I'm going to bring one that's going to come out and over, and we'll draw a little line here. Next, we'll make a little line that's going to come down and over, and then one more here, and I'm going to curve this up. Then we're going to make another little line up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, kind of past the arm, and then we're going to make the leg. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come back in here. And then I'll make a couple more little curved lines here for the foot. I'm going to put a line that comes down here for one of the claws on the feet. And then another one that's going to come down here like this. Then I'm going to bring this line up here, and then in for the leg. We'll add a couple little curved lines. I'm going to curve this into here. I'm going to leave a little bit of space right here and continue this part down. Now, starting here, I'm going to curve this line down and then back for this leg, and we're going to make this one a little bit lower than this, so it kind of shows it's a little bit closer to us. Then we're going to add some curved lines here. I'm going to make a big claw that comes down here, and then a small one over here. Make another one here, and then one more over here. Then we're going to bring this line up and then in. Then I'm going to curve this one in and add another little line here. Then I'm going to curve this one right to here. Next, I'm going to make some little broken lines that just come down to here. And then I'm going to make a couple little curved lines right here to kind of show where the tail is going to bend up. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to here. And then we're going to make it get bigger and then bigger as it comes back down to here. Next, I want to do is add some of Godzilla's dorsal fins on here. So I'm going to start off by making just some kind of pointed lines. They're just going to go different directions, almost away from each other. Some are going to be shorter, some are going to be taller, and we're just going to kind of fill this up with some different little points and things. So we're just going to kind of make these go all around here. And we're just going to kind of keep adding these all over. So you just want to kind of fill up this whole area with these nice big spikes. Now, as we move down the tail, we're going to get them a little bit smaller. Then we're going to add a couple little smaller ones up here. And then I want to even add some more little spikes right back here too. So just make them really pointy, and we're kind of filling up all this empty space with some more of them. Now here's our basic shape of Godzilla. Now we want to come in here and add some different details. So let's start on the face. I'm going to add some little lines that just kind of come right down here. And a few more right by the eyes. We're going to add some more little lines right here. And some more right around the mouth too. We're going to add some broken lines right along here. And a couple little curved lines right here by the arms. I also like to add these curved lines over here by the legs too. I'm going to make some rounded shapes right around here, just kind of show where the knees would be. And I like to make some little broken lines all along here too. I make some little curved lines on here. And we'll do some on the claws and everything as well. And then we'll make some little lines that come right across here. And we'll make a few more little broken lines that come right along here too. I'm going to make some more little curved lines right across the arms and everything, just for some extra details. And I'm even going to put some coming right across the body here too. And we're just going to add these going right across the tail as well. Just nice long little broken lines coming down here, just to add some detail. Then I'm going to make just some little light broken lines coming right across here. And now I'm going to make some of these kind of come up and down, just to add some little detail and texture. We're even going to make these come across here. I'm going to make some more lines kind of coming across the stomach too. And I'm going to add some long kind of broken lines onto the dorsal fins too. We're just going to add some little lines on here too. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla in a different pose. I know we've drawn a lot of Godzillas, but it's always fun to try to do another one with some different poses and styles. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.